Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. It's this really simple monochromatic birthday card. So let me show you what I did. Okay, so I have here a piece of Whisper White and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And we're going to be using one of our new tools, and this is the blending brushes. And this is to do some inking, and I love these blending brushes. They make inking so easy. I just absolutely adore them. Okay, so we're just going to ink up our brush, and I'm just going to start from off the grid paper, and I'm just going to come in gently. I'm going to have more ink at the bottom than at the top. So let's just blending it out. And it's better to have less ink on your brush than too much. I want some variation in colour as well, so some whiter spaces, some darker spaces, so it's not all flat. I'm just going to have it, so it's just very light blending. And I'm just going to darken up here at the very bottom a little bit more. Okay, like that. It's difficult to see on the camera, but anyway, that's enough. I'm going to keep that open actually because we're going to need it now. I'm just going to clean off my brush by just cleaning it off on the mat like that. Okay, now we're going to bring in my Stamparatus because we're going to be doing some stamping. And let's move this out the way. Okay, and I'm going to put my thing actually up here because I want to stamp off the corners. And let's see, where are we going to put all of our bits? Okay, so let's have a look. Let's have this one coming off the corner here, like this for now, and maybe this one. Let's see, coming up like that. Okay, and then we're going to get our sentiment as well, and that's from the In Bloom stamp set. This is a sentiment we're going to use. Happy birthday, you were really the best, but we can't stamp that one yet actually because it's photopolymer and this is red rubber. So let's get these two stamped and then we can build it up. But this is just the main part of the card really, it's just the stamping. I'll just down press. Lovely. I'm just going to remove this so that I can clean that ink off the base mat. I'm just going to use my simple chamois for that. I need to re-wet it as well. I can feel. Just clean up my stamps. I'm getting ink everywhere. I've got it all on my table now as well. Ugh, what a mess I'm making, hey? Let's tidy up a bit. There we go. Okay, so let's put this back and then see where else we want to stamp. Where's my thing. I couldn't find my what do you call it, magnet, that's it. Okay, so let's see, I think we're going to have this one coming down as well here, and I think we're finished with that one. So let's put things away, then we don't get in a muddle. Pick this one up, stamp this one down, okay, yeah, that'll do. Right, clean up time again. And if you do get ink like on the desk and you can't get it out with water, just use an alcohol wipe or some hand sanitizer even, and that's the trick. It's really useful. Okay, so let's put this away for now. Well, let's put this down and let's get our sentiment down. Put that there, bring this back, put this in so it's nice there. This is the stamps that we're going to use in Bloom. Happy birthday, you are the best, which is down here. Okay, try and line this up as straight as you can. You can use the lines on your what you call this thing, the lid of your stamp apparatus, to help you. Stamp down. Yep, that'll do. So let's get that up there. Let's give this a clean so we can get rid of the stamp apparatus. And I'm going to bring in a couple this time of small blocks because I want a hand stamp, because sometimes there's nothing better than doing some hand stamping. And we're going to stamp again using this set. So let's put these two away. So we can use every stamp in this set today and get full usage. Okay, so I have this fern, and then I have this little dot thingy here. And we're just going to bring this fern and add a bit extra foliage where we want. And this is what you can't do so easily with the stamp apparatus, is just adding bits like this where you want. Okay, so that's enough of that, so let's put that there. And then I'm going to use this little thingamajiggy flower thing just to fill in pretty much wherever I want. As always, I love to go off the edge of the paper. I do always usually go a bit mad, but actually I think that's going to do. So now we can close up our ink pad and we can bring back our card base, and this is also terracotta tile. So that's this is a standard card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half, and then we're just going to stick this down. My snail is fighting me today. Just going to stick it down like that. Okay, then finishing touches, I've got here some rhinestones, and I'm just going to use a few in the centre of, not all of these little flowers, just some of them. So I'm going for like a visual triangle, so I think I'm going to go like that. There you go. So they're the cards. What do you think? Love it, hate it, let me know. I hope you did like it. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, anything like that, it's in the description box below, alongside all the links to my website and all my social media links, so please do check those out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!